Hi all, today we are going to solve the merge sorted array where we were given with two integer arrays which are sorted in non-decreasing order and those both have lengths of m comma n. So while merging we are having few conditions. So the final sorted array should not be returned by the function, but uh, instead of that we need to modify the array1 itself. So for this, we were given with the array1 with size of m plus n. As you can see in the example 1. So the array1 has 3 non-zero elements and 3 zero elements, and array2 has 3 non-zero elements. So we need to merge the array2 into array1. So for this one, we will start solving from the last elements. So we are going to compare the last element from array 1 and last element from array 2, and based on that, if the whichever is the larger one, we're going to insert in the last position of array 1. So for this, we're going to have 3 pointers. One will track the array 1, second one will track the array 2, and then the third pointer will be used to insert the number into the array one, final one. So let us have I as one pointer which will be pointing to the first array, and then the second pointer will be pointing to j n minus 1, and then the third pointer will be m plus n minus 1, which is nothing but this position. So now while j greater than or equal to 0, we are going to check the elements. For I greater than or equal to 0, and the value in first array should be greater than the value of last element in second array. This is true, then our first element, our first array will contain the number from first array. It's one of I, and we are going to reduce the I value by -1. Else our array will have the value from second one, and we are going to reduce the value of j by 1. So in order for the second element to insert, we are going to reduce the value of k by 1. So this solution will have a time complexity of n plus n because we are iterating through all the elements in I and j. So combined will have big O of m plus n, and the space complexity is big O of 1. As we have not used any extra space and we have reused the array1 self. Now let us submit this code and see if there are any errors. So our submission is accepted and all the test cases were passed.